Well, good afternoon. We're coming on here to look at these numbers that have just come out for acreage estimates and also for quarterly grain stocks. I'll tell you, we've had um, dramatic movements in the market off these reports because remember, in the case of corn and soybeans, you've got two different things that came out. And also in the case of corn, they were dramatically different. The acreage numbers were very friendly for corn and soybeans and friendly also for hold on just a second. The stocks, the grain stocks were very positive, and that's the first thing that came out for corn and wheat and soybeans. The acreage numbers came out next, and these were the exact opposite. And so you've had a real knee-jerk reaction here as corn had a big rally. Corn was up 3 3/4 before the report. It got up 11 to 12 off of the ending the grain stocks, and then the acreage numbers came out. They were shocking numbers, showing a whole lot more corn than anybody anticipated. So we went up from 11 to 12 in corn to down 16 right now. So that's what's happened. Um, so let's just kind of go through all these grain stocks. Corn, the number came out at 5.202. The average guess had been 5.314, so much smaller than they thought for stocks. Soybeans, they came out at 1.79, and this is billion bushels. And the anticipation, they thought it was going to be 1.865, also bullish. Wheat came out at 1.072. They thought it was going to be 1.089, so that was under that number. So just the grain stocks by themselves, very friendly. Then the acreage numbers came out, and the numbers were negative for corn. It was 91.7 million acres. They thought it was going to be 87. The soybeans were actually positive. It came out at 80.04, and the average guess was 84.07. So there's just a shifting from in between soybeans and corn. All wheat was 45.609. They thought it was going to be 45.6, so right on target there. The cotton acreage number is 14.1. That also was considered a surprise. More cotton out there in acreage than anyone thought. They thought it was going to be 13.7. So let's just see what the markets have done here since this number came out. Cotton was up 40 before the report. When it came out, it rallied. It got up about 50 to 55. Then it sold off, and right now it's up 5. So that's been the reaction of cotton. Only acreage came out for cotton. But as we look at these others, a little bit more complicated. Soybeans were up 3 before the report. Then they got up about 12 to 13. And then they backed off to where they're up 9. So that's where we are right now. Soybeans in November up 9 at 9.22 1/4. Corn's the big volatile market here because before the report, corn was up 3 3/4. They got it up 11 to 12, and now it's down 12.5. So even now it's swinging around. The wheat market was up 1 3/4 before the report. It rallied initially, and now it's come off substantially. It's down 14 in September at 5.32 1/4. So I think once the dust settles here and people calm down, you're probably going to find some people questioning some of these numbers that were off so much. And with that, you'll probably find support come in. But until then, these markets are in flux, and we just have to let things settle down. That is it. We'll talk to you later.